gentlemen, boys and girls, it's your boy, Jack Knight 2000. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be trying another energy drink. Yes, that's right, guys, another energy drink. Today we're going to be trying the 3D energy drink. I've never actually heard of it. 3denergydrinks.com is where you can find these now. This one has, doesn't have very many sugars in it. The calories, it's only 15 in this bad boy. So the last one we tried, I think it was like 160 or something like that. So today, guys, we actually have the 3D energy drink 16-ounce flow, guys. So I'll let you guys take a look at the can there. It's just 3D, like those 3D Dorito chips back in the day. All right, today, guys, we do have the plastic cup as always, and we're gonna try it in the can, which I always think is better, but hey, who am I to judge? All right, and we're gonna try it inside of the plastic cup, guys. So without further ado, let's do this 3D taste test. All right, here we go. We're opening this bad boy up. Oh God, it exploded all over the place. All right, oh wow. Now usually I sip that up, but I'm not gonna taste it just yet, okay? Okay, so when I smell it, I know this is kind of repetitive because of the last time, but it smells just like, it smells like a citrus, orange citrus smell. Like an orange 7-Up. Really, guys? Come on. Now there are different flavors of this one. I don't know the different flavors because it doesn't really say what flavor, it just like has colors. So I assume this was regular because it was white, but I don't know. So real quick, before I try this, I'm gonna pour a little bit, there we go, into there, and it's the same color as the last one we tried. If you guys can remember, the last one we tried was the same color. So let's go ahead and dive into this bad boy and see what's good. You know, I can't really place the taste. I cannot really place the taste, but this tastes like, it literally tastes like nothingness. I think that the only thing that I can compare this to is maybe like a squirt, like a really light version of a squirt. If you guys don't know what squirt is, it's like a bootleg Sprite. But yeah, it's the bootleg of the bootleg, if that makes any sense. Now we're gonna pop over, before we pop over to that, I'm gonna give this a rating out of the can. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 5.8, simply because I don't know what the hell it's supposed to be, what flavor it is or anything, and it doesn't say it on the can nowhere, so 5.8 based on taste just in general. All right, now we're gonna move on to the plastic cup of Rohan. Let's go ahead and give it a good swirl there, get it all riled up. Without further ado, let's do this.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Okay. Definitely a little bit more just sour inside of the plastic cup. I don't know what the difference is, but it's definitely a little bit more like sour inside of the cup. Yeah, guys. I'm out. This is not that good. I don't know if I could just drink that, but inside the can, it's not that sharp. Yeah, like it's okay inside of the can. It's like still sour. So I'm thinking maybe lemon. Maybe the white means lemon, you know, because a lot of, light lemon, But anyways, inside of the plastic cup, that's gonna have to get a 2.0. That's just 2. A 2.0 on the cup, because that was totally disgusting. I'm not gonna lie to you. While I buy the 3D again, I don't know, maybe for a different flavor, I'll test the different flavor. But as far as it goes overall, I'm gonna have to give it just like a 6.5, because I had to take that back from the can. I'm gonna have to give both of them 3. That's it. They both get 3.0. Altogether, I would say 4, because it's just not that good of an energy drink to me. But anyways, guys, if you guys want to go pick it up, it's the same price. It's around $2. I think it's like actually, I think with tax like $2, it was like $179, $178. I can't be too sure. I'm gonna have to start getting prices on these things. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys for the next video. Peace, love, and as always, my friends, 3 flowers, grease, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.